Mungo Monkey to the rescue. Lots of fun flapped inside. Lydia Monkey. From the illustrator of What the Ladybird Heard. Today Mungo Monkey is going to work with his daddy, Mummy, Minnie, Nora, Mungo Daddy. Can you guess where Mungo's daddy works? At a fire station. Mungo loves exploring the fire engine, and he has fun trying on his daddy's hat. But then the alarm rings. Nino, Nino. Oh no, someone's in trouble. A cat is stuck up in a very tall tree. Daddy to the rescue. Then Daddy hears someone shouting for help nearby. Help! Daddy to the rescue. When the bunny is safe, they all set off home in their fire engine. But there's soon another call for help. A campfire is out of control. Daddy to the rescue. What a very busy day. Daddy makes sure everyone gets home safely. But now Daddy needs help. He can't get his boots off. Mungo to the rescue. Well done, Mungo. The end.